So after losing $400, now I am again placing a trade, but this time I have placed my stop loss before the second one, so at 471. So it's a very safe stop loss because today's price is in the range of 485. So I want to keep the stop loss under 471, which is previous day's low. So it should be safe enough. So now I see that it's moving up 485 to, so what I bought it at, so I bought it at let's see, I bought it at 488, and yeah, it's going up now. The loss is getting reduced, so that's good news. So basically I'm showing that just because you made a mistake doesn't mean you can't fix it. I'm just trying to fix my mistake, placing my stop loss much below, and there's a good chance that this will give me a profit, and I will take the profit maybe at around 495. Maybe it should go up to 495 today definitely, and yes, I'll take that.